Alright, so for today's lesson, we are going to be talking about multiplying and dividing facts. And usually these are done with the harder numbers like 11s and 12s. 10s are pretty easy because we could just multiply anything by 10 and it's that number with the 0 behind it. With 11 and 12s, they're kind of trickier because they're not as easy as some other digits and other factors that we might have. So today's example, we're going to be using 9 times 8 because that's a fact that not a lot of people know offhand. So there's 4 different strategies that we can actually apply to this for multiplying and dividing facts. So we have subtracting a group, doubling, near squares, and breaking apart. And I'm going to go through each one of those right now. When you're subtracting from a group, I'm going to actually go up to my next, which is 10 times 8, because that's an easy fact to know. 10 times 8 is 80. Then I'm going to take 8 away because that's a set of 8. 80 minus 8 is 72, so 9 times 8 is 72. For doubling, we're going to take 9 times 4, which equals 36, and we're going to do 36 plus 36, which equals 72. Why did I use 4? Well, because 4 is half of 8, and when I double that together, I get 72. Next, we have near squares. So with near squares, you're going to actually learn about this more throughout the week, but near squares is just taking a number, so in this case 8 or even 9, and doubling that number, okay, so 8 times 8 or 9 times 9, and then accompanying it from there, so either subtracting or adding from there. So let's look at our example. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 plus 8, because I need something times 9, that equals 72. Or if I do 9 times 9, which equals 81, I subtract a set of 8 from there to equal 72. So 9 times 8 equals 72. This one is kind of harder to know unless you do know squares, so I don't advise using that one as much, but if you want to try to challenge yourself, definitely use it. Next, you have breaking apart. So we have 9 times 8, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually break apart my 9 into 5 and 4. So I'm going to do 5 times 8 plus 4 times 8. I'm going to get 5 times 8, which equals 40. 4 times 8, which equals 32, and add those partial products together to get 72. So 9 times 8 is 72. Hopefully this video helped out with multiplying and dividing facts. We didn't do a lot of dividing, but it will help you to multiply and divide as long as you know exactly how to work out the problems. All right, thank you very much.